Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel. So you probably know by now, but I'm back from my holiday in Morocco. I had such a gas time. I went with my mum because she's got like a Moroccan tour company. If you guys ever are looking to go to Morocco, then go check out So Morocco. I'll have them down in the description. It was a really fun trip. Obviously I'm going to be biased because she's my mum, but it's a really good business. She just like arranges, you can pretty much do whatever you want in Morocco and she'll arrange the whole holiday for you. Anyway, back to graphic design. Today you're watching me doing this Bart Simpson design. I started off on the drawing tablet and then I used a pen tool. I got a position of Bart to start things off, but that's just a really useful thing to do, especially if you don't have like loads of drawing skill. It can take you a while to draw Bart in loads of different positions, but because there's so much of the Simpsons, like you can pretty much find Google images of him in any position online. I have tutorials on this style of artwork if you want to check some of them out. Like I said, I want to get back on the YouTube grind, but I've just come back from holiday, which means I need to clear like a week's worth of clients because they've been waiting whilst I've been gone. But as soon as that's done, I'll be making a bunch of more videos. So join the Discord. You can leave me like video ideas, you can interact. You don't even have to be like a graphic designer or anything. If you're just interested in the community, then definitely come along. At the moment it's basically just my mates like all just roasting the kids in the Discord for posting like a bit of shitty artwork. So the more people we get, hopefully there'll be less of that and more of a real community, but feel free to come and have some fun in the meantime. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the speed art. There's probably going to be more and more speed arts on my channel because I spend like all my time doing artwork, whether it's just random artwork or client artwork, so it makes sense for me to always be recording it and uploading it. But as soon as I get a bit of free time, I'll obviously make some better content like tutorials and just exploring new ideas and shit. So yeah, that's it from me guys. Have a great rest of your day, night, morning, whatever it is, and I hope to see you in one of my future videos. Peace.